Dene is a special place. It's the largest area of natural woodland in north-east England. The tangled landscape is the survivor of the wild wood which once covered most of Britain.
The steep gorge of this dene was made by water dissolving the soft magnesium limestone.
The Dene has fascinated people for thousands of years. Legends of the devil have tried to explain its strange rocks and mysterious atmosphere.
The Dene is renowned for its yew trees. For hundreds of years, these dark trees have been believed to have magical powers and are now known to live for several thousand years.
Living and dying trees are home to fungi and insects that feed many woodland birds in a natural woodland, such as this. Up to 25% may be dead and rotting, and as they rot into the ground, they feed other generation of plants.
The bird and family owners of Castle Eden Dene from 1757 into the late 20th century built this bridge in 1877. They loved the Dene's wild beauty and created many of today's paths.
Sycamore and rhododendron, beautiful in the gardens of stately homes, are invaders here. They make it hard for native plants and trees to survive. Natural England works to banish them from this rare natural woodland.
Severe weather can cause landslips and fallen trees. It is therefore not advisable to visit during bad weather.
If you are thinking of visiting Castle Eden Dene, good footwear is essential for the steep and sometimes slippery paths.